He was previously spotted taking to the skies to film the 8th Mission Impossible, but Tom Cruise appeared to be enjoying some well-deserved downtime with his billionaire pals as they touched down at Battersea in his helicopter on Thursday. The actor beamed as he jumped into a waiting car with INEOS David Horrocks and the chemicals conglomerate chief financial officer John Rees. Tom cut a casual figure as he jumped into the vehicle after flying his chopper to the helipad in southwest London. The star has been in the UK to film yet more Daredevil scenes for the latest Mission Impossible film, which is set to be released in May. Rees, who boasts a net worth of £4.2 billion, became one of the board of directors at Manchester United in February after Richard Arnold has resigned from his role as the club director following Sir Jim Ratcliffe's partial takeover of the club. Rees joined Ratcliffe Company in 2000 as a financial director and he was estimated to have a fortune of £9.1 billion by the Sunday Times Rich list year. His presence on the board means INEOS will be represented should the vote on major decision be required. Tom had previously been filming scenes for the long-awaited sequel Mission Impossible 8 at Longcross Studio. Back in April, Tom was last seen filming just a stone throw from Downing Street in London. Dramatic scenes signaled trouble for the Impossible Mission Force agent Ethan Hunt as the actor was seen kneeling on the road in surrender. Other scenes have been shot across Derbyshire, Surrey and central London at landmarks including the Natural History Museum in South Kensington and Westminster Bridge. The filming of the UK scenes of the 8th installment of the Mission Impossible franchise initially took place between March and December 2022. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.